Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to run Java code in the terminal. So I found a lot of information on this for like Windows users and command prompt, but not much for Mac and terminal users. So I'm assuming that you've installed Java Development Kit, and then so if you haven't, obviously when you get the one for Mac OS X, I did that one. You install it. It should be pretty straightforward. So you'll open it up here if you're using Safari. Then you just go through the process. You may have to put in your code. But then after that, because the text edit on the MacBook is pretty terrible, you need to install a text editor. So I chose Brackets. It says it's an open source one. I've not played around much with the code underneath it because I coded a lot in Python and just used JetBrains stuff, but I chose Brackets, and then so if you've like been doing web development, I assume you already have a text editor, but so you need to just download a text editor. If I were you, I would go with this one. I already know how to use it. I've only had it for like a few days, and now we just open it up, and once we open it up, we will have our Java apps. Or no, you will not have your Java apps. You'll probably have like these hello. You'll have like this index HTML. I tested it using the hello HTML. But then you'll click new file. You will just code whatever you want in Java. I'm assuming you're a beginner since you're watching this video. You can put in this code right here. Public class hello, public static void main string args System.out.println. That's an L right there. L in hello world. And then in quotes, make sure you copy all the syntax right here. I'll put it in the description, this code, so you could just copy paste it in here. But now I already have it saved here. You're going to save it as, to make it easier, hello.java, but there's a very particular place you want to save it. I'll show you how to do that. So we want to open Finder, which should automatically be open. I'm just getting there faster, which wasn't that much faster, but so now that we're in Finder, you want to go to a folder. So why we're doing this is, so you want to go to your users folder, hit go. We're going to the users folder because this is where terminal will run the Java code. This is not hard at all. Just create a folder called JavaApps. It'll be very simple, like right there. To create a folder, you left click new folder and you just name it JavaApps. And remember, if you change like capitalization or the name or whatever, remember to remember this. It will be harder for you because you'll have to remember that when I go through the next steps. But assuming you named it JavaApps, we go back to brackets. You save your code, so you want to hit File. Actually, I'll show you right here because this one's probably already going to do it. So you're going to hit Save As or Save. And now it's going to want to save it in brackets getting started. You do not want to do that because it'll be a lot harder in terminal run. And now you want to go to users, which I can't. Okay, so assuming you go to users, you then want to go to your name. Mine's philippounds, or whatever your Mac's named. Then you go in there and you find your JavaApps folder, and you save your JavaApps folder in there. And so save it as capital H hello.java. So after you do that, we want to open terminal. Once in terminal, do cd and then the squiggly. This will bring you to like your base, your users, your base Mac folder. So that philippounds folder I was showing y'all, it'll bring you there. And then we hit enter. ls to view, it'll be a lot easier that way. And so remember, so you can view the folder we saved as JavaApps. Let's hit Java, apps. Oh, what did I do wrong? Oh, no. Do not do that. Do cd JavaApps. Now you want to remember we saved as hello.java. Do javac, as I call it, or javac hello.java. Enter. Now java hello.java. And it's very important that you, when you saved it, you put the extension at the end .java when you saved it in brackets, because that signifies that's a Java folder. I wanted to make this video because I do a lot of coding in like Python, so there's a pre-compiled interpreter. But if you're interpreting in terminal, since there's not much, I didn't find much documentation, or it's kind of hard to find on running it in. I had to piece together a lot of pieces, like especially with the Finder to set up your right folder. Also, I'm fairly new to the Mac. I use PCs a lot too. But I hope this video was helpful. At that, good luck coding.